All right, guys, we're gonna do the zigzag. This is a lot of fun. It's kind of like the boxer's glove at the beginning, but instead of around everything, we have to cut in again. So 3, 2, 1. So just like the boxer's glove, we're gonna take this first part nice and easy. Oh, not enough counterweight. Remember, we're practicing here. Oh, I didn't do that one very well. Another counterweight. Oh, see? Yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. This first one is familiarization. So there's a lot of going around small U-turns. So the first three turns are very sharp. So we need to make sure we do nice and wide. Let's try that. So nice and wide on this. Okay, and then we got to turn. And I'm gonna go a little bit wider on this because of this part. And then we're gonna turn, counterweight, give it some throttle. Now we can exit out. All right, let's go ahead and try to give it some speed now. And by speed, I mean this first part and this next part is difficult. Hey, we're getting into harder ones. Just wait until we get to Hardened Expert. Oh my geez. There we go. There we go. 16.61. I forgot if that's better or not, but that was for time. And now we're gonna jump into the next one.